I'm your huckleberry.
Hey YouTube family, RC and more here. Finally got my wheels and tires in for my little K truck, so I'm very happy with that. These actually are for a WPL D12 though, not the D14. I had to do some modification. First of all, the rear ones, they came with screws with them too. They're a little bit longer. The rear ones I had to press fit on and then get the screws in there. The front ones, the screws it came with were not long enough to even reach the axle. So I had to go through my parts bin and find some screws, which I think came from a Tamiya kit. And I had to trim them down and get them on there. So now everything works fine. Got plenty of clearance. And it looks good too. Just little utility truck's all I'm making right here. I also have the light kit right here. So we're going to pull the body apart and start messing with the lights. We will do that next. Alright, let's start working on this body. It's pretty straightforward. I see 4 screws that hold the bed on. So let's pull them off, see if that pops it right off. One more here. Alright, that's simple enough. There we go. There's all the screws. And then it looks like there's 2 screws right there for the cab. And there's more. Let's see here. What else is holding you on? Does it just snap off? Let's see if this screw. No. I don't know what else is holding it on. Can't tell what else is holding it on. There's the other screw. Well, let me look that up and see what's holding it on. Alright, I got to figure it out. I just had to work it a little bit and twist it off, and now it's off. That was a little bit harder than it should have been. There we go. And the light kit that came with this, where'd it go? It's right here. And it's got how many bulbs here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's got 8 bulbs. I've already got 2 headlights, so then 1, 2 marker lights, 3, 4 marker lights, and then 4 for the tail lights. So there we go. So there should be a plug on this little board, possibly. And let me take this board off real quick. works, but this plug does not match. So I'll have to figure that out next. Well, upon a little bit of research, it looks like this light kit is not for this model. I'm not sure if it's for the D12 or what. So I can actually go ahead and try and order another light kit for this one, or we can cut and solder these wires and make it work. So I figure we'll do the right thing and we'll cut and solder these wires and we'll make it work. So I'll just cut this plug off, and then I will cut the plug off the body here, and I'm gonna put a Y connector on it. That way I can plug in the body, the headlights, and then plug these in, and then we'll get everything ran. So let me get all these chopped up and get that worked out, and then we'll see how it works. Alright, so past couple of evenings I've been working on this thing, trying to figure out the light situation. And this light kit that I got, I cannot get it to work, and I can't get everything to work. So all I can do, I can get the headlights to work, and I can get the tail lights to work, and I can put them on separate ports. So I got a JST connector on the original headlight port, and then I plugged in the headlights on another port right here, which I'm not sure what it's supposed to be for, because it won't work on all these ports. So I'm not sure how it's supposed to work. So this kit, the light kit I got for it, isn't for this truck evidently. Maybe it's for a D12. I don't know. I don't know if the D12 is a different type of board, but I can't seem to find one for this truck. So if anybody knows of a light kit for this truck, please fire it in the comments down below and let me know. Or maybe there's a way to mod it or whatever, because I'm not really worried about this truck. I can deal with the headlights and tail lights, but when I build the drift, I got another one coming, or I got another one here already, and it's I want to make it a drift version, and I want it to be lit up. So I would like to figure out something for that and make it look nice. So like I said, if anybody knows of anything or knows a way around it, or maybe I need to get another ESC and receiver, I don't know. But like I said, just fire it in the comments, let me know. But now it's time to start putting this thing back together. I got a little action figure I'm putting inside there as a driver, and start buttoning this thing up. So I'm gonna start putting it back together now, and then we'll see how it turns out. Alright, it's all wrapped up. I got the body back together, and I got the headlights are working, which by the way, if they're looks like they're flashing in the camera, they're not flashing, it's just a frame rate. Got tail lights also, and they're not flashing either, just the frame rate of the camera. Got a driver figure in there. He's a Star Wars character. I'm not sure what movie he's from, but at least I got someone in there now. And I got the little stickers on the marker lights, stickers on there too. So it's ready to go. So we'll take this thing out and go drive it around, see how well it does. But before we do that, I really want to appreciate y'all watching this, and hopefully y'all maybe learned a little bit, or maybe y'all can teach me something about it. Like I said, fire up the comments down below. Kind of let me know about the light kit, if there actually is one for this model, or if there's a mod that can be done. Because like I said, I'm not really worried about this one. I do have another one. I already have it here. I'm just waiting for the drift tires to get here. But I want to make it a drift version, but I want it all lit up. So this one was a learning experience. So pulling this one apart and putting it back together will help me for the drift one. So I got a little bit of learning experience out of this one. But like I said, I will leave y'all with some running footage. We'll go drive this thing around and check it out. But I really appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take care and be good.